Hey everyone, welcome to another day of Christmas. Today I am with my sister and her husband, and we are going to be making 3 different Christmas drinks today. I hope you guys like this video and thank you for watching.
First thing, just put 1 ice cube in each. I'm just gonna do a half shot of gin because these are pretty small glasses. Soda water, just for some sparkle and fizz. And just a little lime for some Christmas color there.
Oh! And our first Christmas drink, Rita, what do you call it?
Christmas cheer. Cheers!
And then you're gonna dip it into cinnamon sugar. So it's a little bit of cinnamon and also some sugar, just like regular sugar. And then you need to pop some champagne or get somebody to do it for you if you are not brave enough.
That's me. Should I shake it?
No.
3, 2, 1.
Ah, yay! Whoa, good stuff. That means it's a good champagne. I don't know, I made it up. Now you're gonna pour and fill the glass up with champagne, but don't hit the rim.
Say when.
Depends on how bubbles it gets. And that's good. And final step, you're going to add some apple slices to each of these. And there you have it. Start by having some ice cubes in your glass, and you're gonna top that with some rum.
Holy.
What, a lot? Mm-hmm. Oh. Then you are going to add eggnog right up to the top. Give it a good mix with a spare chopstick. And finally, you can top it with some sugar if you like, cinnamon sugar, or I'm gonna just use cinnamon. I'm going to sprinkle some cinnamon on the top of each of these glasses. Voila, you have eggnog.
Cheers!
Cheers!
Oh, that's strong.
Strong ass.
I told you I would. Well, thank you very much for joining me for the 12 days of Christmas. I hope you guys liked our drink recipes, and we will see you, I will see you tomorrow. Thank you, Karina. Thank you, Joey. Bye.